Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And in this session, we are going to discuss about our Google Sheet option scanner. So that is a new version, is a web-based app. So that month of month of May from 30th April. So we find it lot of opportunities. Some options or strikes are increased more than 200%, and some of them are more than 40, and the middle of the month, so we got a more than 30 plus stocks which moves. And then put side also we have some a good number of stocks. So this is the monthly positional, and there is an important update on this month of May contract. So today is an expiry, so tomorrow this monthly sheet we are not going to use. So every month first we are starting using our monthly positional sheet, but we are going to update the June series from tomorrow onwards, but that would not be a monthly positional. So a lot of questions about that after the expiry where we can start our positional strategy. No, so at beginning of the month or first of the month we are going to start it. So here this month we start from 1st May to 26th May. The contract is expired, and tomorrow we are going to update here that June contract. So that is not for a positional. We may be using our next few trading session, and also there is a one more holiday in that in between, only 2 trading sessions only. So there's tomorrow's updated monthly file which we can use it. Okay, so weekly which we are added here, and lot of strikes are increased here. So many strike prices where it is get doubled because of last week of expiry. The premium is very low, and also very difficult to trade on that liquidity issue and the physical margin. So that is why we are not considering the last week, and that is what we simply ignoring the last week of expiry. Okay, so but this is what a scanner which do its job, and it is finding out an opportunity and what are the things is happening. Okay, so this is what weekly one. So a lot of opportunities also. Some brokers are allowing to trade out OTM options. Dani power 220. Let me check 26 May. So tomorrow we can't see because this week expiry. So we have an opportunity 3.58. So 3.58 where it is triggered in the almost 9:45 to 10 o'clock. It is a valid entry, and then it went and closed near about 23 maximum. It moves 29.7. So many options, because when you see that premiums are very low. Why? Because of last week of expiry and physical delivery. Okay, so intraday also it is giving you a lot of opportunity. Today gap up open, so after that we seen there is a lot of R4 breakout. So again questions on this R4 breakout. So for an example, Ambuja 445. So this is an R4 breakout. Both the sides, like call side as well as put side, we are looking for the R4 breakout. So I'm just 15 minutes. So both the sides. For an example, today it started inside, and where it is giving you an opportunity 3.1. So that price where it is mentioned here, Ambuja Cement 3.05. So here it is mentioned 3.05, exactly where you can see that R4 value. So exactly 3.05. So what we are planning with this in R4, it is a intraday purpose. We are headed on this. So the logic for this in intraday. So yesterday's closing price of the stock. So we will try for an yesterday's close. So for an example, if the stock closed, so I will take the same Ambuja example. So what we have done. So Ambuja Cement in future contract, what should be the closing price? Okay, on yesterday. So if you are looking at the yesterday's closing price, 444.3. So the closing price is 444.3. So which is nearest ATM strike price which you are selecting. So in this ATM strike price exactly 445 call and 445 put option. So both we are tracking. In this particular both the strike price, we are looking for which one is going to break the R4 level. Either it may be put, or either, for an example, if the market next to it positive means there is a chances of call to break the R4. In case if this is the scenario, the market is bullish, so we got an opportunity in call. In case if market is down, So we may be getting breakout in R4 breakout, maybe we find it in put side. Okay, so both the sides we are looking for an R4. Someone was asking S4 breakout, but S4 it may be for a selling purpose. If you are an option seller, we can look for an S4, but in this scanner we are not focusing on S4, we are focusing on both R4s, either call and put. So the strike price which we have selected based on the previous closing price. Okay, same like that, all F&O list which you are filtered out with the scanner, and we finding out where there is an opportunity. So one more important point, if any stocks which are, for example, Polycap 9400, so let me 9400, let me add this, and here also there is a breakout. The breakout which is happening around 39, it went up to, so but it doesn't expiry day, it is a different concept. Maybe the low premium can went up to huge, that would not be happen on all the days. Okay, so there is an expiry, very low premium and high volatile, so that can be happen on expiry days. Most of the days it would not be possible. Okay, so here this is an R4 breakout, both tracking 9400 in call side as well as put side of the same stock, and put side it never breaks the R4. So call side we got an opportunity. Okay, at what time frame we can try for? So simply which we are build a scanner is after 9:30. So what the scanner is taken out, if any stock which close above R4, if it is closed above R4 in between 9:30, before 9:30, the stock would be removed from the list. After removing that, so we will be finding out only a fresh breakout. So this is also be a scanner which try to find one or two opportunities for intraday. So based on the pivot point, that Camarilla pivot point. So once you get a good volume and liquid stocks, you may be having the one opportunity for the day. So that is what the main logic we are developed the scanner, and that weekly and monthly is based on our positional course. So we have a advanced option strategy. It's a positional base where you can learn some 4 edged one and 5 directional, 4 non-directional. There are edged and non-edged strategies on that included on that particular course on the tool. Okay, so this is what a tool which helping weekly and monthly is based on the logic, and intraday is purely based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. So we have also developed one of the Camarilla indicator, which is a Camarilla scanner, 2 days bow copy based. So we will be finding out what is happening on yesterday's market and what may be the plan for tomorrow, like that EOD based scanners also which we have developed. So we have 3-4 different scanners which we have already developed, and one more scanner which we using intraday, that one which used for price volume breakout. That is not a breakout, it is a scanner which find it out price gainers along with volume, along with contract. From that we can pick it out. So here we are not providing you any buy sell. Okay, so it is about a scanner, it scans all those stocks. From that you have to pick it up. So you can apply your own strategies too, or if you learn our strategy, then you can apply more effectively on this positional scanners. So that is about the video. So tomorrow we are going to update weekly, monthly files that would be valid for next 2 days. Okay, because the one holiday will be there here, so only 2 working days. So next 2 days you can utilize others, not a positional, maybe short term, like a 2 days only you can plan for it. And intraday is as usual daily it would be updating. So after first of this month we will be going to add all the things, and the monthly IV sheet generation and everything which we are going to do on for the June 29th data. So 29th Friday is the last trading session for the month of May. So by using that particular data, we are going to generate the monthly IV stocks list and non-directional stocks, that based on the 29th data. So from 1st of June we can start applying our positional strategy. That is what the thing. And some people who are using directly our scanner, so they will also giving a feedback is good, it is working. So if you are anyone who are really interested about the scanners to get and a lifetime access we are providing you, we will give you a full setup and you can make use of it. So thank you so much, thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.